My name is Daryl, but everybody know me as Chef D, straight out of Miami. The name of the trailer is A Taste of Dade. So we're actually bringing a taste of Dade County style of food up into the area where we're living at in Lake City, Florida. Well, we're going to be doing stuff like fried conch, basically fried foods, fried conch, fried fish, fried shrimp. We're going to have shrimp pastas. We're going to be very excited about the wings we're doing. I got a tremendous amount of different style of wings that you cannot go to no buffalo wings or nowhere else to get. You can only going to be able to get it right here. We're not telling the names or nothing right now, but it's not the basic names like lemon pepper, none of that. We have our own unique names and our own unique flavors. Give you some kind of idea what it'll look like, baby. Well, what makes us unique is that what you're getting on this truck, you have to go to restaurants to get. So it's gonna basically be mobile. So, you know, just like you go in and sit in these restaurants and get those type of food, you can come get it on a to-go basis. That what you're gonna go spend all that money for the ambiance, you're gonna get it right here to go. How you like it?
Spicy.
Yes, the young lady, oh yeah, she's good. Yeah, she was very friendly. She made us feel at home. She's a beautiful lady too. But anyway, she put everything in place. She explained everything right to the T, where it's basically our kindergarten could understand. Y'all made the truck look good. I'm gonna make the food taste good. Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Because this is not even about me, but we're giving a shout out to the man that owns this, Roy Pollard. He is the man that came in financially. He is the man that came in with the ambition. He put everything together, but he brought me along to him make sure that we just carry on. So Roy, this is for you, my brother, Roy Pollard. Yeah. Hold, let me get it right. Yes, sir. It's all about you. You already know.